Well, it was important for us at Greater Anglia to bring a group of disabled passengers here to Switzerland to see the new trains that were in production, in order to make sure that we are fulfilling their needs for rail travel too. We've looked at things like colour contrast for people with visual impairments. We've looked at access on and off the train for people with restricted mobility.
I can't believe the lengths that Greater Anglia have gone to make them accessible for as many people as possible. It's comfortable, it's easier access, and the toilets, the accessible toilet, will be accessible.
I was invited here by Greater Anglia to help in assessing the accessibility for visually impaired and blind people, to advise for partially sighted in contrasts and colour, where it would impact on how we would perceive what we need to, i.e. switches, lights, handrails and floor markings, etc.
The opportunities have been absolutely amazing to test out new design of ramps, and to also look at the colour contrast within carriages and how the new generation of carriages will look and feel for people who are blind or partially sighted, enabling them to be more confident in using train travel in the future.
Partnership working between Greater Anglia and its stakeholders with all forms of equality needs, such as wheelchair users, visual impairments, sensory, mental health, has really shown throughout this. The fact that we've got a train here that is now going to be fit for purpose for the next 15-20 years is true testament to the amount of hard work that has gone in to produce this final finished product.